Hey everyone! In this tutorial series, we're going to walk through creating a Voicebot application step by step using the Agentic AI platform. Let's start by creating a new application. Click on the Create New Application button at the top right corner. Now, for the application type, select Voicebot. This tells the platform to prepare the right features for voice interactions. Here, you'll need to enter the basic details of your application. Let's name our app ProcureBot, but feel free to use any name that fits your project. Next, add a short description. I'll write, ProcureBot is an intelligent assistant that answers business queries related to invoices, purchase orders, support, and general ledger. This helps others, and yourself later, quickly understand the purpose of your app. You can also upload a logo for your application here. This is completely optional. Once everything is filled in, go ahead and click Create to set up your new app. And that's it. Our Voicebot application has been created and is ready for the next steps.